Hello, this is Yusuf Farah for Mr. Wemlin's class, Computer Science 110, and today I'll be making a video about number 12 in the homework. To start this, you have to import the turtle to the turtle screen, and I chose a background color of blue for this. And notice to get the turtle in to start the turtle function, color red. You have to do the turtle shape because in the picture that it shows you on the homework, it shows one of the turtle in front of the line, which you will see soon, and stamps the turtle onto the screen, which allows me to accomplish my goal right here. So to start this, it says I put for I in range 12 because I'm supposed to put 12 different turtles. And first you have to pick the pencil up because you can't just draw a straight line all the way up. And I pick the pencil up, I move forward 100, and then put the pencil down, and then I move forward 50 to draw the just a straight line, and then I picked the pencil up and moved forward 40 and then did the stamp, and this stamps the turtle onto the screen, which is what I needed to, which is what the homework shows. And then home basically brings the turtle back to the center of the screen, and turtle right Z up here, you can see that at the top, you can see that I made Z equals 30. And so the turtle keeps, when I put Z in for right, it turns 30 degrees every time. And this last step is important because instead of having to write this whole time, I could just say 30 and then you just Z equals Z plus 30. So every time it would just turn 30 more the other way. It would just turn plus 30. So whatever the Z is, it'll be plus 30. So every time it'll turn more, creating the blast. And this is the final output that it comes up with. As you see, it's drew a line. I moved forward 100 first, drew a straight line, and then moved forward 40 and stamped the turtle on here, which is what I needed to do. And as you can see, every time the turtle turns 30 more degrees than it did the time before. And yep, that's Marvin. This is number 12, Yusufar. Thank you.